Hi friends, today I am going to explain about how to use VLOOKUP formula. If you go to any organization, VLOOKUP formula is most used formula. For example, I am going to take one example. Okay, we have this list of employee details. Okay, for this particular employee, for example, for this particular employee, I need only few details like employee name, employee age, and employee's salary and city. But we have huge data in this Excel, but we need only few details. If you go to Control F and search this employee details, it will not possible for 100 employees. Only for 5 employees we can find and copy and paste it simply. If we have 1000 employee details, I need only details for these 7 employees. I can't go and search this employee details in datasheet. It's very difficult, so we can easily find out the details using the VLOOKUP formula. Okay, for example, I am going to take one employee name. For this employee, I need employee ID, employee age, and what he is getting the annual salary and where he is staying, which city. So by using this VLOOKUP formula, I can get it easily. I will explain. I will explain 2-3 types of VLOOKUP formula. I will how to use this formula. I can explain 2-3 types. Okay, type 1. First type 1 using direct formula is equal to VLOOKUP. Select the employee data, employee name. Here in D15 we have employee name. Put comma. Go to this data sheet. I am going to select this. What details I required? I required employee ID. So I need to select the data from A to B. We have employee ID in B column. So I am going to select till B. What is the number from A to B? It will be 2. So I will put 2. Then comma. We have two options, 0 and 1. If I put 0, exact ID will come. If I put 1, approximately data will take. So I need exact number, so I am going to put 0. Okay, close the bracket, enter. So I got employee ID. I am going to do for age, same formula I am using. VLOOKUP, open bracket, go to name, full name of the employee. What I required? I required age. What is the employee age? So I'm going to select the page where employee age is there. In H column we have employee age. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8th column we have employee age. So you are able to see the number. System also automatically calculate here. The number is 8. So I will put comma. What is the number? 8, comma. We need exact number, right? So we have to put 0. If I put 1, approximately it will take. It will not be exact. Exact age will not data will not capture. So I will put 0. Close the bracket. Employee age will come now. Sorry, I am repeating the formula again. VLOOKUP, select employee name, put comma, and select the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8th column we have employee age. So put comma, put number 8, comma 0. Enter. So age automatically come. Next details I need annual salary for the same employee. VLOOKUP, select employee name, comma, again I am going to select where we have annual salary. Oh, actually in this sheet we don't have employee salary, so what I in next sheet we have employee salary details, so I need to take the data from here. Okay, so is equal to VLOOKUP, open the bracket, select employee name, go to the salary sheet where we have the salary details. In salary sheet I am going to this sheet. Okay, so again I need to select the details, like in B column we have a employee salary details, so 1 2, column number 2 we have salary details, so what is the number here? 2, so I will put 2 comma 2 comma 0 is common, always you have to update 0, enter. So we got this salary of this employee. Let me cross check. What is the salary? 141. Here in this 141, yeah, exact number we got. So again we need city name. Where is the city? Okay, we have here only. I need hire date. When this employee hired, I need these details also. So hire date. So again I'm going to do VLOOKUP, select employee name here, put comma, go to hire date sheet. So I'm going to select this. In column number 2 we have a data, put 2 comma 0, enter. So I got employee date. Okay, hire date we got. Okay, I need same data for different employee. What to do? For example, I need same details for this employee, so I will put this employee. Again for this employee I need the details. We no need to do the formula again, so just if you drag this, automatically details will come. Let me cross check what is this employee ID. Okay, this employee ID is E01550. E01550. What is the age? Age is 27. 27 we got. Again, what is the salary? Salary is 119. What is the hire date? 17/2020. Will be 17/2020. Yeah, exactly, we got it. We can type this using this, type the formula, or one more option you can do, type to for example I need the same data for this employee. So if you can't remember this formula, we can use one more option. You directly go to functions, so here you select VLOOKUP, click OK. We will get this table. Okay, lookup value is full employee name. I am going to select employee name. Okay, next, what is the table array? Here we have to select the details. What details we need? Employee date. So I am going to select employee name to employee ID. I have selected this. In third column, index number. What is the index number? Where is the employee ID we have? In B column, 1 2. Okay, I have to put 2. Then range lookup, I told as we discussed, 0 is exact number, 1 is approximate. So I have to put 0 because I need exact number. So I have selected put this 0. If you click on this, the data will come. If somebody can't remember the formula, you can use this function key. Again I'm going to check employee age. Click VLOOKUP, select this employee name here, table array. Where is the age? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Employee age we have in H column. Okay, the index number would be 8. Again it should be 0 always. Okay, age we got for Joshua, age is 57, exact number we got. Again I'm going to do VLOOKUP, click on VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP value would be this employee name, and table array would be, we have salary details in different sheets, so I need to click on this salary sheet. Click on this salary sheet, select again employee name and go to B column. What is the number? 1 and 2, so I have to put number 2. Range lookup always should be 0. Click. Okay, Joshu Gupta, we have the salary would be, let me cross check, 50,994. Where is Joshu? Yeah, 50,994, exact number we got. Again I need higher date. Again go to click on function keys, click on VLOOKUP formula, select lookup value would be this one. For Joshu we are getting the details from different sheets. Click on this, table array would be, go to higher sheet, again select the data. In B column we have a higher date, so the column index number would be 2. Range will lookup would be always 0. Yes, we got all the details. Thanks for watching this video. If any doubts you have, just put a comment in comment section. Thank you.